Is Safari freezing or not responding on your Mac? Don't worry, there are a few simple fixes to this. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Safari running smoothly again. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. This method works not only for Safari, but also other applications that are frozen or not responding on your Mac. So let's say, for example, you have Safari open and you can't refresh it or close the window. Simply click on the Apple logo at the top left, then select Force Quit. Choose the Safari app and click on Force Quit. Then reopen the Safari app and you should see it working properly now. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut keys. Press Command and Option and Escape on your keyboard and you will bring up the Force Quit option too. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.